Guys, it's your girl Caro NG here again, and welcome back to this beautiful channel where we grow and glow. So this is a beautiful Saturday evening from where I'm shooting from. I have just been lazing around. Yani hakuna kitu ya maana nimefanya leo. I woke up very late. So the only thing I think I've done was washing dishes and washing the house. I've not done anything else, and I still don't feel like working. So guys, decide leo we prepare supper together. I'm not going to be preparing anything complicated. For a long time we have been eating ugali yesternight. Leo mchana nilifix haraka haraka because I was not feeling like cooking. So today evening nimeamua we cook some fries because I have some potatoes that I had carried from the village. So we are going to be preparing supper together and we will call it a day. So today I'll be sleeping very early. That's why I'm preparing supper early. It's around 5. I want to sleep maybe by 8 because tomorrow I want to attend the first service. So I must sleep early because me and weekends, I sleep, I rest. Yes, that's why they are meant to be there. So let's prepare our supper. Yeah. So let's get into the video, guys. So guys, I'll of course start with preparing my potatoes. I've not done many of them, though I think I'll add some few more because I don't think they'll be enough. So yeah, let's get into peeling them and cutting them into small pieces. So guys, I'm done peeling my potatoes, so I'm going to cut them into small pieces, rinse them, then I'll allow them to dry before starting my frying. So guys, I've already cleaned them. I'm just leaving them to dry. When you're cooking fries, it's very good for you to leave them to dry because they are not going to wet the oil, and yeah, basically that's the reason. So guys, I'll leave them to dry for some time, then I'll preheat my oil and begin my cooking. batch is ready and my daughter is already here waiting. Ambia watu hi guys. Hi guys. Ambia umekujia nini? Umekujia chipo. Good girl. Acha nikutolee kidogo lakini ni moto. Hebu ondoka hapa usichomeke. Eh. Ipoe kwanza. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hebu ondoka mami. So guys, this is what we will be having for supper with my baby. I've also prepared some salad. There's nothing much I've added to my carrots and cabbages. I've added some salt, vinegar, and some olive oil. And that's how I came up with my salad. So guys, I hope to enjoy this meal. It's already looking very, very beautiful. Karibuni sana guys. Good morning guys. It's Sunday morning and I had promised to sleep early but I was not able to. Yani jana I was just lazy. Hata sijui nikisema nitalala mapema. What happened? I was doing totally nothing. I was just watching videos on YouTube. Nikapata ni saa 4. I didn't even wash utensils. I left my kitchen very messy and I can't leave it that way. So I'll start by cleaning up before starting preparing for church. Yeah. Guys, this is the state of my kitchen. You can see I didn't even clean up. This is bad manners. We had very many pixels. Just see. Everything is everywhere. Everything is messy. So I'll clean up very, very fast as I prepare breakfast because by what time? By 8 I need to be in church. It's exactly 6:45. I think by 1 hour 15 minutes I will be done with everything including preparation. Guys, I'm already done cleaning utensils as you can see. These are the leftovers. This one was for lunchtime. I don't know if it's still good. Yesterday lunch, we didn't finish up the chips. I'll warm them after church. So, I'm just trying to, I'll be cooking my baby's porridge there and our tea here. So this is very, very quick. Time has really gone. It's about 7:15. So as they cook, I'll be doing what? I'll be bathing. Yeah, so I'll just leave them to cook as I bathe. So guys, my tea is ready and I'm going to wake my daughter up. She will take tea and a piece of loaf in the morning. Hata kama I don't know if she'll be in a position to take loaf. Hajuangi kukunywa chai na kitu. And we are going to take the porridge after church because the church will only take 1.5 hours. So let me wake her up and she will take the tea on her own as I try to prepare. So guys, that's the state of the bed. I'm going to leave it that way and I'll come make it after church because I've realized it needs a lot of work. Also my babies, I'll come make it after work. After church. So let's get our today's outfit. It's very cold, so my baby will wear trouser. So I'll get her trouser, a sweater, a warm sweater, a pull neck up here. I think nitamvalisha hii ya red. No, let me get her the white one. No, hiyo alikuwa amevaa. Let me get her this one, hajavaa for long. This one with the red color. Then I'll get her what? This warm jacket, this one. Stocking and a vest. So guys, these are our outfits for the day. My baby will be wearing a trouser and all this. I think I've shown you. It's very cold, so I'll wear her warmly. This is my outfit for the day. It's a short kitenge dress, and I'm going to wear it with those gold shoes because of the yellow color. I would have also chosen white or maroon, but I don't want to go to church in sharp heels today. So that's the outfit. Let's prepare faster and get going. Guys, we are almost done preparing. And my hair is a disappointment, but nitaenda hivyo. Taitengeneza over the weekend. Yup, it's not very clear, but you can see, guys, we are almost done. I'm only left with my shoes and earrings and we will leave. So guys, we are done preparing and we are now going to church. It's just next to my doorstep. 3 minutes and we will be there. So guys, let's go. I don't know if I'll come complete the video tukitoka, but it's really cold outside. Look at my chain, it's misbehaving. So I'm going to wear this poncho. Yep, my daughter is ready. Here she is. Ambia watu hi guys. Hi guys. Yes, my front camera is not very clear. My hair is not very good, but tutaenda tu hivyo. I'm going to fix it over the weekend. So guys, let's go to church. I'll come finish up the video later. So guys, ndio tunaenda. And actually, unaona penye barabara inajipinda, that's where the church is. And it's actually drizzling. But we have to go anyway, guys. So have a nice time, those who are going to worship. Remember to pray for those who are not in a position to. Yeah. So guys, ndio kutoka kanisa, and I wish to end this video here. It's exactly, I think, 9:35, and we're tushatoka church. So I hope you have enjoyed that video, and I hope it was not a here-there video. So guys, in case you have not subscribed to this beautiful channel, please consider subscribing and make sure you like our videos, my videos, because it helps promote my channel. So guys, bye bye and see you in my next video.